guys, hey, today is going to be a sponsored video on CelieHair, and this is the hair that I'm wearing right now, y'all. Look at it. Bomb. The texture, bomb. Look at it. The lace, bomb. I laid this, y'all. I really laid this down, and if I put my band down even more, I feel like it's going to be melted, like even more. How soft it feels. I even bleached it and plucked it, and it's still soft just from me plucking this. First, I don't think it's gonna change, but I washed the shampoo and bleached and all of that, and still turned out bomb. Like, the hair is bomb. So basically, co-washed closure part, and this lace is bomb, and I don't even think this is HD lace. Give y'all some specs on this hair. This is a 22-inch straight unit, 200% density, y'all. This is just enough hair for me. This is just enough hair for me. And y'all, the way that they came packaged, bomb. And the lace front is a 5x5 lace front, so basically a closure lace front. Came with everything inside the box. Like, they even give you extra. They always give extra when I'm reviewing these hairs. If y'all want to see how I achieve these waves in this wig, then keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so we back with another video. Today we are being sponsored by CelieHair, and right now I'm showing y'all the box. So what's inside this box? Let's get into it. Inside this box you get the bag, and also inside you get the hair, along with some other triggers y'all gonna see in just a minute. But the presentation is everything. So inside the box you get a wig cap, a comb, 2 clips, and also a headband. They be doing that. They be showing out. They give you what you need, and everything comes right in the box. All right, so this is the bag. I like these type of bags because silk bags keep the hair very. It's like a silk pillow, like basically something you use for your face, but you can also use it for your hair. It's really good too. So inside you get the wig. This is the 22-inch wig, 200% density, lace front, 5x5 closure, and this is how it looks. It's straight, but look at that lace. Let's get to the lace. Zoom on in, get to the lace, glue y'all eyes to the screen. And the construction of the wig cap, everything. I'm putting my hand in it just to see how it's low-key melting, or if it's like going to melt. And this wig is approved, okay? It's the truth, and y'all gonna see me when I melt it down. Right now I already bleached and plucked the wig already, and I'm just putting a wax stick and hot comb to it just to basically mold that lace down, y'all. And I do the same method. If y'all go on previous tutorials, y'all see exactly how I do it, but I just want to get into curling this wig and also laying it down. That's just basically the main part. You want to see how this wig lays. You want to see how this wig curls, especially when it's straight hair. I feel like body wave, if you want to curl hair, I would do body wave, but if you have straight hair, I would do straight. However, I just wanted to see what this hair was about and how it curled. And look, bomb. Y'all see that? I didn't even put the dye on yet because I was gonna do that last, but that's just me plucking the middle part and also plucking the lace front and smoothing everything in. Right now I'm going to use these wavers. These are from the bead head wave. These are the wavers from the bead head, and I got these from Walgreens. I actually should have just went to Target because they were way cheaper at Target, but nonetheless I got them. It was like 30 something at Walgreens, no, $29 at Walgreens, and $16 or $18 at Target. Go to Target, y'all. But y'all gonna see these beautiful waves, y'all, in my head. These are like crimps, but not technically crimps, because in the beginning, if y'all saw the hair, y'all saw that it wasn't like a tight crimp. It's more of a loose, like I said, like a wave. Okay, so anyways, that's my first curl, and I'm going to move on to the second curl. However, this is going to get real redundant, so I'm not going to really speak on this. I'm just going to show y'all how I do the second curl, and after that, y'all could just basically look and see exactly what I do for each curl. Just see the beauty of it. Just see the beauty of these wavers. So I'm taking a waver and I'm starting a little bit from the root of the hair that I parted to wave, and I'm holding it tight. And I go right into the slit and I put the crimper there. Do the same thing over and over again until you get to the end. It's an easy process. You just got to keep doing it over and over again. That's what gets redundant. So that's it, y'all. I'm gonna meet y'all back when it's time to apply this wig on my head. And so y'all seen those beautiful waves, y'all. I often say crimp, that's why I had to like talk slow. I just wanted to talk on this part because y'all seen it all. For the top, I start a little bit down. I kind of flatten it to where I want it to be, and then I start exactly where I ended that flat iron, and I just do the crimps all the way into the end. I just want y'all to know that, because I don't want the crimps to start at the front, exactly at the front, because it's not gonna look right. That's like back in the day crimps, so don't start it there. Now that I'm done with these waver slash crimps, I am going to take this dye, and I'm going to basically make my part smaller. I did not put any what is that, concealer inside. I just left it just as is. But this is it, y'all. This is the final look, and this is how I got those waves. Now it's a time. Girl, it is gonna be a time. Anyways, it's a time to apply this wig, y'all. I am applying this wig to my head. Make sure everything fits, everything is perfect. Voila, everything is perfect. Make sure you also put your edges out before you crimp this wig, because what's going to happen is, if you crimp this wig and you try to take it out, you're going to mess up the crimps. So make sure that it's already done. Now what I'm applying is my Erica J watermelon glue. That's the smell. And I'm putting it exactly where I want to lay this lace down. Same steps in all videos. But yeah, that's it. I only applied 2 coats of glue, and I just waited till the glue turned clear. I didn't put any spray or nothing on that, because I noticed that when I did these last 2 tutorials, or the last tutorials, that I put the glue and then I put some spray from Even, and I didn't like how it was like really white. So yeah, anyways, I waited till it dry clear, and I am going to put this right directly in the front. So putting that hairline right on top of that glue, starting directly from the front. It's okay if you cut off excess, but you just want to put it right exactly where it's at. Okay, as soon as the hair is laid directly on the lace, you want to start pressing it in. This is just to ensure that the lace is on. You want to press it down and make sure it's on. Also, you want to take a band and you want to make sure that's on so that it can melt into the skin. Put the band on off camera. However, I didn't leave it on that long. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this with some scissors, y'all. Look at this lace, girl. I said like that because girl, look at it. It is bomb. I should have lifted my baby hairs up a little bit so I could get there. I don't know what I was thinking when I was doing this, but anyway, girl, that lace is melted like nobody's business, baby. Nobody's business. I like this lace. And sometimes you get those laces that are really good. Sometimes you get those laces that are just like too back in the day. Like this is too, just like that back in the day lace. It's not gonna melt with my skin. Even if I try to do it, no matter how much I try, it's not gonna melt. But this melted into the skin, baby. Do y'all see that? Give it up for CelieHair. Give it up for CelieHair, girl. Go ahead, check them out in the description bar below, y'all. Y'all would not be disappointed. Okay. So yeah, I'm just cutting off the excess lace, and I'm about to do these baby hairs, y'all. And so y'all gotta meet me there. And I'm just spraying extra excess Even spray because I want it to be like melted. I want it to hold. Taking my scissors and I'm taking off some of the baby hair just so it could be short. I could have made them really short, and I didn't use a curler. I have to go get one of those curlers because actually the curlers that my mom have, they are messed up and it burned my forehead, and I'm like, no, this I'm gonna have to give because this is not it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a comb and I'm just swooping them edges, and then I'll cut it a little bit off because it's just basically excess that I don't want. See how it's curving? I don't really want that much excess to be right there. So take your finger, take your comb, take your finger, and basically mold that hair down to the skin and swoop it as you go with the comb. That's how you do baby hairs. I actually want to do more of exotic baby hairs, but right now I just be doing the basic ones. And I took some Got to Be glue to mold these baby hairs down. And y'all, that's it, y'all. Put y'all band on, make it melt a little bit more if y'all want to sit under the dryer. If y'all want to spray extra excess more product, do that, and y'all are good to go. That is it, y'all. Don't forget to go check them out in the description below, and I'll meet y'all in the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to go check out CelieHair in the description right below. Go check them out in the description right below and tell them that I sent you. I love how it came out, and I said like I'm gonna keep this up until probably this weekend, cause baby. And until then, I'll see y'all on another hair tutorial.